Do you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars starting from $0 in crypto? Well, that's probably why you clicked on this video. And here's the good news. I am going to show you how to do exactly that in this video. Seriously. And I know a lot of people are still stuck in this mentality and just suffering from the bear market blues. But here's the truth. There is still free money flying all over the place in the cryptocurrency market. In fact, any single opportunity I tell you about today could change your life financially if you actually reach out and take action on stuff I'm talking about in this video, and don't just passively listen and be lazy and don't take advantage of the opportunities. So make sure to watch the whole video and consider actually taking action on some of this stuff. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. If you like that topic, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Of course, give that thumbs up button, some love if you like this kind of content. And by the way, we cover almost all these opportunities for you to make money in my weekly cryptocurrency investor report. It's called Wealth Mastery. Every single issue is just value-packed and full of ways for you to make money in any market conditions with just truckloads of opportunities for you. Sign up for free using the link down below in the description. Our members love it. I'm sure you will too, so check it out. So, the first way to make money for free for minting free NFTs. You're probably used to hearing about NFTs that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. But here's a little secret. Some of those NFTs were free to mint. CryptoPunks, they were free. They minted for free, believe it or not. They're now trading for a minimum price of $100,000 a piece. Now, of course, not all free mint NFTs today will be future CryptoPunks. Some of them might be though, and some of them might be worth at least, well, a few $1,000s in the future. Certainly worth a gamble on, considering that you can get them for free. Well, you still have to pay gas fees, but besides that, free. By the way, our in-house NFT guru, Sam, he actually wrote a guide on how to get free NFTs in this week's issue of Wealth Mastery, so go and check it out on the website. Now, the second way that you can make money for free in crypto, affiliate marketing. This is something that people do not take advantage of enough, even just regular people, right? Crypto's got some killer affiliate marketing programs, and none of them require you to have any money to get started. Now, depending on how much time you actually dedicate to your affiliate marketing, you can make anywhere from like a few bucks a day to a few $1,000s a day. And while, yeah, it does help to have a social media presence like I do to say, hey, go and check out my Ledger wallet link or whatever, you can share those links with your friends and family. Getting your uncle into Bitcoin, say, hey dude, use my link to buy your Ledger wallet and you'll get some free Bitcoin. Maybe the Crypto.com debit card. Hey, it's awesome, check it out. We'll both get 25 bucks for free. Just do it, you'll get free crypto. You can also promote exchanges like Bybit or Binance, and those will give you a share of trading fees that people who sign up under you make. And if you want to take that to the next level, yeah, you can try to build up a social media account, a Twitter or a TikTok or something like that. It's not so hard to do. Maybe you're not so confident though, you don't want to be in front of the camera or something like that. Well, build a website with, SEO focus to bring people in and click on those links. I know a guy who's making tens of thousands of dollars from a very, very basic website with affiliate links. It's ridiculous. Okay, on to number 3, and that's stablecoin farming. So technically, you already have to have some money to do this. You have to have some stablecoins, but you don't need to spend your money to do this. Big difference there. All you have to do, deposit your stablecoins to farm other coins. These farms basically, they have tokens which they pay out for people providing liquidity for their platforms. They want to incentivize you to come over, so the rewards can be pretty high, paid out in their tokens. For example, Spool.fi, they have a few pools with over 10% APY right now for stablecoins. Pool Together, another cool one. Lossless lottery, basically $1 buys you a lottery ticket, gives you a chance to win a daily prize, so you get into the lottery, but you also get extra rewards paid out right now in Optimism's OP token if you use Pool Together on Optimism. So pretty cool, right? You get free tokens plus the chance to win it big in the lottery with their platform. The best part is you can withdraw your money whenever you want. Remember, it's a lossless lottery, right? By the way, obviously, DeFi carries risks. You must be aware of that. You can lose all of your money due to a smart contract hack or something like that. So keep that in mind and do your due diligence on any platform before using it. The fourth way to make money Airdrops. I've made, personally, thousands and thousands of dollars on airdrops over the last 2 years. Every single week in the newsletter, we cover 3 to 5 new airdrops for you. Now, one that I definitely want to make sure is on your radar is Arbitrum. This is an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, which has been soaring in adoption. It's currently the highest chain by total value locked for Ethereum Layer 2. They have basically all but confirmed an airdrop is coming in the future for people who are using the network. How will you be eligible for that airdrop? Well, quite simply by, most likely anyway, simply by using Arbitrum, bridging money over, going and using native apps like GMX or Vesta Finance, or using old blue chips like Curve Finance or Aave, right? If you're using those apps on Ethereum, you might as well just use them on Arbitrum to position yourself for a potential airdrop. Seriously, airdrops make money, guys. It's crazy. And the fifth way to make money for free, Testnets. Did you know that Avalanche launched its testnet back in 2020? When they did that, they gave out rewards of AVAX tokens on the mainnet later to testers. Now, at AVAX's highs, the amount received by testnet participants was worth $100,000. That's insane. Yeah, I know. Not all testnets will actually make so much money, but again, you stand the chance to gain big, maybe a few $1,000s from being a testnet participant. Have some spare time, go play around in the testnet, get paid for it. Now, one that you might want to check out right now is called Sui. It's a layer 1 blockchain, which is in its testing phase. There'll be a link for that in the description, so go check that out. Layer 1 blockchains, they've been some of the best performers in the market over the last few years. Will this one do well? I have no idea, but considering it can be obtained for free, if you're willing to spend a bit of time testing out the network, could be an attractive option for somebody without a lot of money, but with some spare time on their hands. Again, we cover this kind of information every single week in the newsletter for you to find those opportunities. Anyway, I hope you found this information useful. I hope that some of it will be profitable for you in the future. But one thing's for sure is that in order to get any benefit from this, you actually have to take the initiative and partake in some of these opportunities. Let me know if you're planning on trying out any of the things I talked about in today's video down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.